Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to post video on Instagram, not reels, right? So basically you want to post a video but it should not be converted as a reel. Well, it's very easy to do it. Let me show you. For example, that of course you have to follow the same process what you do while posting a reel. You have to click on the plus icon, and once you're here you have to just go to the post section, right? And here you have to select a video, right? And make sure your video should be 15 minutes longer, right? If the video length is shorter than 15 minutes, then it will get converted and called as a reel, and it will be played in a reel section. So for example, I don't have a 15 minutes longer video, but I can show you here. Basically this is a video right now, and if I just click on the next, right, and I will just click on OK, and again if I just click on next, you can see it is converted as a reel, but I want to post as a a normal video. So that's what I'm trying to say, that you have to make a video of the length which is longer than 15 minutes, and if you just post it over the Instagram, it will be a normal video. So this is how you can do it, and otherwise there is a other thing where you can do it. Just let me show you. Right, you have to select more than one video, right? For example, you could have seen there is a multiple videos, that is a shorter form. So if you want to upload a shorter form videos, just make sure you select multiple and then just post it as, right? So this is how you can do it. I hope you found this video very useful. If you did, subscribe.